Now we are going to write a program to run these two motors. You can see here we are having some two motors. Each motor is having two terminals, so we are having four terminals. We have already discussed that we can't interface these two motors directly to the Arduino, so we should require some driver which can drive these two motors. So the driver is this IC L293D, you can see here. So this IC is placed on one PCB and we are calling the entire thing as motor driver shield, where we have flexibility of connecting inputs and outputs easily. So if you observe on this board, we are having the main IC. This IC will work with 5 volts. So for that purpose it is having some voltage regulator, 5 volts regulator, and the power to these motors will get from the external power supply. Here you can see this is the connector for the external power supply. Here you can connect a battery, or otherwise you can give power from the adapter. So here I am going to give the power from the adapter. So there is one button for on and off for the shield. So here you can see the indication, it has got power. Next we are going to connect these two inputs to the Arduino and we will see how the motor will run. So coming to inputs and outputs, this shield will have 4 inputs and 4 outputs. These are the inputs. We are having 4 inputs and 4 outputs. 4 outputs are connected to 2 motors because each motor is having 2 terminals. So 1, 2 and 3, 4, these are the outputs. This driver can maximum bear up to 36 volts. So you can drive the motors which can work with 36 volts also. So here I am going to use 9 volts or 6 volts motor. Now we will interface this driver IC to the Arduino. So these 4 inputs are connected to any 4 digital pins of Arduino. Here I am going to select 2, 3, 4, 5. So assume that this is my first motor and this is my second motor. So my first motor is connected with 2, 3. And second motor is connected with 4, 5. You can see these two wires, these two lines can control this motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. You can see these two yellow and blue can control this motor, and orange and red wires can control the second motor. You can see this motor. So we have interfaced the motors with Arduino. Next we will see the programming part. So for two motors we have to select 4 pins, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 4 pins should be configured as outputs because motor is output device. Next, coming to the logic part, that is loop part, I am going to run the motors in clockwise direction for 2 seconds and anti-clockwise direction for 2 seconds. So this is how you can test your motors. So to run the motors in clockwise direction, you should give 1 0 1 0 so that both motors will start rotating in clockwise. For first motor, and this is for second motor. 4, 5 are for second motor. Similarly, counterclockwise. So this set of statements will rotate the motor in clockwise and this set will rotate the motor in anti-clockwise for 2 seconds. So now we are going to connect Arduino with the PC and we will dump the program into the controller. So here I am connecting Arduino to the PC by using USB cable. Now make sure that you have selected Arduino Uno from the board and a correct COM port. After that, hit verify to verify your program. Now we are going to upload the program to the Arduino. We can see the motors has started. Two motors are rotating in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. So here you can see both motors are rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. In this way you can control the robot.